This is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose for tomorrow, whether it is a call option or put option, and which strike price will give you a maximum benefit. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel and also joining my Telegram channel. Do refer to your friends and help me to grow this bigger channel. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a daily chart, over the last 7 trading sessions or 8 trading sessions, it is facing a huge resistance to cross this 9200, and only one day it went up and then immediately it came down below this 9200 level. So as a kind of a level, 9200 is placing a very crucial rejection level for Nifty. And if you go on a 5-minute chart, you can see that it was a kind of pure indication that the day begins with a kind of uptrend. As I suggested yesterday, if you see a kind of plus sign in the Nifty or Bank Nifty, you go ahead with this CE position, and then whenever you come across this kind of rejections, you can go ahead with your put option. So it was a kind of very typical day. It started rallying from this 9100 level and it went up to 9180 levels. There it faced a kind of rejection and then came down and almost settled somewhere closer to the previous day's opening or close. And if you go to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is almost the same. It went up to this 18,200 mark and exactly it rejected. The day high was exactly 18,200. It faced a rejection, and then from here onwards it started just falling down, and post this 1 o'clock it was a kind of huge fall off in the Bank Nifty. So almost like 500 points rally down the level, like within like a half an hour to 1 hour time. So it was one of the biggest rally, and it almost shed almost 100 points compared to the previous close. And if you look into daily chart, it is now facing a support at 17,500 level and resistance at this 18,100 to 18,200 level. So that is where now it is facing resistance. So now you can consider this as a kind of flag or pole, because this is almost like 1,000 points down and then where it is like consolidating. So if you expect a fall, it has to cross down below this 17,500. Let us go to the option chain of this month expiry, which is May expiry, how it is like. So now you can see 9,000 is having a maximum pain at monthly expiry. So this will act as a major support for the coming week, because you can see 32 lakh open interest is at 9,000 level, which will act as a major support. So as per my indication, Nifty might not go below 9,000 as of now, unless otherwise there is a big news or kind of any bad impact on the market. On the other hand, it will also face a major rejection at 9,200 level, where you can see 15 lakh contract at this level, whereas there is no contract on the call option side. So these guys will try to push the Nifty downward in the coming days. So we can expect Nifty to range between 9,000 to 9,200, unless otherwise any kind of major news from the Home Ministry or Finance Ministry changes the market direction. Otherwise the expiry is going to be like a range bound expiry between 9,000 and 9,200. And let us go to the Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty, you can see the major support is at 17,500, which I have said, like 3,50,000 contract open interest at 17,500 level, whereas on the upper side 18,000 is having the same amount of open interest. So Nifty might range between 18,000 level to 17,500 level. So these two levels will act as a kind of crucial levels. So any further movement, Nifty has to cross 18,100 and it has to form a kind of very big kind of positive momentum above the 18,000 level, or it has to close above 18,000 level and it has to sustain for further moving up. For further going downside, it has to break 17,500 and it has to stay below 17,500, unless otherwise it will stay in between. And if you go to the global Nifty, SGX Nifty is trading neutral, so there is no big movement in the market tomorrow. And let us go to the slides. So this is how the yesterday's recommendations performed today. All the SGX Nifty did not go down, so only call option was effective and it gave a considerable profit of 35 rupees. And also on the bank Nifty side, it gave almost 140 and 110. Here I took 40 because when it went up, the low was around 40 rupees, so I took 40 as the entry point for put option. So both the side gave a very good kind of profit zones today. And what is there for tomorrow? So tomorrow it's a kind of game changing plan. I am expecting market to open little positive. So during the opening, if you see any kind of plus momentum, you can go ahead with 9100 call option, and whenever it reaches 9200, sell your call option and then go ahead with 9200 put option. So during that time, this will become at the money put option, and this will become in the money. So that is how it is going to be opening. If it opens on the positive side, go ahead with 9100 put option, and then whenever you see somewhere between 9200, you can go ahead with selling that 900 call option and then take a position at 9200 put option. Otherwise, if you see straight away negative, you can go ahead with 9200 put option or 9100 put option. So any of these two. If you see market is negative, if it is positive, go on the call option side, and whenever you see 9200 mark in Nifty, sell your call option side and take your put option side. And the same thing with bank Nifty. If market opens little positive, go ahead with at the money put call option 17700, and whenever you see somewhere between the range of 18000 level, exit your call option side and then go ahead with your 17900 put option. So tomorrow is going to be two strategy. Let me consolidate for your easy understanding. If market opens in green, go ahead with 9100 put option in bank Nifty and 17700 put call option from bank Nifty. And at Nifty, if you see 9200 level, sell your call option and then enter 9200 put option. And whereas if bank Nifty reaches 18000 level, sell your call option and enter 17900 put option. And if you see on the negative side, don't enter on the call option side, just go ahead with the put option side, 19200 put option and 19700 put option, or at the money put option, which is 9100 put option in Nifty and 17700 put option from bank Nifty. So these are all the recommendations for tomorrow. And again, coming to the upcoming Trade Like a Pro TLP program is about to kickstart from next week. Those who are interested and who want to be master in the chart reading and also few of the technicals for stock selection and to consistently gain profit from the market, please do register for the upcoming TLP program. My WhatsApp number and also my channel link and also my email ID is given in the description. Please do ping me for any kind of further details. Thank you very much and have a wonderful profit and a successful day ahead.